JEE के लिए ले लीजिए ड्रॉप, NEET के लिए ले लीजिए ड्रॉप, UPSC के लिए ले लीजिए ड्रॉप, जुडिशरी के लिए ले लीजिए ड्रॉप। इस एग्जाम के लिए which is primarily a desi version of an LSAT/GMAT right now, and with the Indian domicile reservation systems and cutoff and the amount of population that is taking these exams. Namaste ji, namaste. Welcome to another episode of TLY Talks. TLY stands for Teaching Laws of India. So about 2 years ago, we did this episode called episode 2, in which we discussed about drop years, whether to take them or not, and this is a continuation of that session, an updated version. Since this video was launched, the COVID pandemic happened, and in fact, in this very session, I told कि आपको क्या पता कि अगले साल क्या हो जाए. Precisely that thing happened. This is not my greatness, but this is just some common sense. So, for example, even right now, you will be hyper excited about taking a drop year if you have not performed in CLAT this year. First and foremost, ignore all of those plans and focus on the AI, LAT, and other law entrances. Secondly, here is my argument. You may like it, you may not like it, it's absolutely fine. More power to your speech and expression. But my argument is against taking drop years for an aptitude based exam such as CLAT. Now, mind you, what exactly is the CLAT? So, you will need to know what game that you're playing to play it well. You can be as much prepared as you wish to at the age of 17 years, 18 years, and the passages may just not line up in your favor because now there is no fixed syllabus. So earlier in the older pattern, when they used to ask around 200 odd questions, you had to study constitution and polity, you had to study contract act in depth, you had to study torts, there was some bit of IPC involved. Things that you can master after taking a drop year. So there is some syllabus to cover. But however, in this thing, during this pattern, there is just no fixed syllabus except for some amount of current affairs that you can predict may just show up. And that too, in this year, they gave a current affair from last year, June 2020. Perhaps they must have created it for one of their sample papers and put it in this year to save work. Everyone does that. However, do factor in this proposition that this is an exam primarily which is testing you on your reading speed, reading comprehension skills, because English is a section on reading comprehension. Logical is critical reasoning, which in effect you can say is reading comprehension. Just that कि author क्या सोच रहा है, author की presumption क्या है, strengthen the argument, weaken the argument. Now these things you cannot cover from a syllabus. And then thirdly, legal reasoning again is reading comprehension with a legal flavor attached to it. So you just do not need to study the Constitution or the Contract Act in depth, but what else will you study? So therefore, all of us academies, etc., are teaching all of that because technically speaking, this exam is the CAT with a L attached to it, just that the exams level has been diluted and watered down a lot from the CAT, primarily a MBA, a B school entrance exam that usually people take at the age of 24, 25 when they're much more mature. If you do end up taking a drop year without a backup plan, so why is a backup plan crucial? So for example, even in this year, I know two people from SLS Pune will be scoring a 101 plus in CLAT. Now they have an option in life whether they want to continue after their first year in SLS, or they can pursue their career, or they can pursue their degree rather. Career to abhi bahut dur ki baat hai, in a NLU. So they have an option, mind you. So a lot many people who would have intended to take the CLAT may just have dropped out from taking the CLAT altogether and are just happy at any of these private colleges. Because if they are through with their first year, they've already studied. I mean, who will go through that process again? But at least they do have a backup. Now, next year, if we are saying, so we all have a positivity bias. What is a positivity bias? That bad things will not happen to us. If you're putting your 365 years down the line, and on the line rather, and something wrong happens when the exam is taking place, let us say that you go down with fever, you have some family issues that crop up, there is some disease in the family thanks to which your attempt is absolutely ruined, you at least will have a backup plan to fall upon so that you're not ending up losing your 1 year of your life. Secondly, now the second argument against taking a drop without a backup is you are mentally fatigued from online education. You haven't seen a school for the last 1.5 years. You will be again preparing on your own, so all your friends are already in structured institutions, and hopefully will be seeing the college from October, November, if all things remain as they are going right now. And they will move ahead in life. They are going to meet newer people. Life gets very, very boring, and you never really know next year when does the exam take place. In these COVID times, some other delay happens, your competition shoots through the roof, something wrong happens with you. At least if you have a backup plan, then at least you can take that and you'll be safe. So as it is, we pretty much all of us have lost 1 to 1.5 years of our life already due to this pandemic, and you are putting one more on the line without taking a backup. So अगर नहीं हो पाया CLAT, नहीं हो पाया AILT, take a private college as a backup and come back to these examinations, because CLAT especially now is doable with the backup option. In the older pattern, in the older format, maybe not, but with the newer format, it's primarily a test of your reading ability, that how much can you read during a specific given period of time, and your comprehension skills. Now, for those to improve those, you technically speaking do not need a full-fledged ड्रॉप ईयर. तो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा ये हो गया कि एक्साइटमेंट होगी कि अभी ड्रॉप लेंगे, अगले साल करके दिखाऊंगी ये लोग कैसे मेरे को, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव अप एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. Check the comments on that video, episode 2. You will find a lot many people remarking that not taking ये आपका a complete drop without a backup is actually beneficial. Secondly, because they've gone through the process, and secondly is you will find कि अभी तो है excitement and you're full of emotion etc. Life will become very dull and boring. You have 365 odd days to give. Do not unnecessarily drop without a backup, because the paper's format is such that even if you are taking a drop and let us say doing hundreds, thousands of passages, whatever, the passages may just not line up in your favor in the question paper, and then your attempt is gone. You'll be again at the 80-85 range that you would have had been at anyway, or at any given point of time without even taking a drop. So whether you like it or not, this is my argument against taking drop, and a lot many lives and careers have been saved thanks to that session. And hopefully some lives and careers are again saved, because everyone says 1 year down the line. So you may not agree with me right now, and it's absolutely not essential to agree with me any which way. But 1 year down the line, mostly people do tend to agree that taking a backup was absolutely crucial. So conclusion, do not, in your hyper excitement, you are full of hormones right now, your hormones are spiking and peaking कि नहीं अब मैं करके दिखाऊंगा, भाग मिल्खा भाग का पीछे वो जिंदा है, तो ऐसा कुछ गाना वाना चला दिया आपने, एंड देन यू लाइक ड्रॉप लेंगे, दिखाएंगे आगे करके. JEE के लिए ले लीजिए ड्रॉप, NEET के लिए ले लीजिए ड्रॉप, UPSC के लिए ले लीजिए ड्रॉप, जुडिशरी के लिए ले लीजिए ड्रॉप. इस एग्जाम के लिए which is primarily a desi version of an LSAT/GMAT right now, and with the Indian domicile reservation systems and cutoff and the amount of population that is taking these exams, think about it twice, thrice, without getting into the influence of some coaching वाला कि नहीं तुम करो हम कराएंगे जो भी है जैसा भी है, क्योंकि अगले साल नहीं हुआ वो घुमा फिर आके कंसोर्टियम को गाली देनी शुरू करेगा या करेंगी कि जी अरे वो तो उनको पेपर ही कहाँ बनाना आता है बेटा, चलो ये तो किस्मत है, ऐसा वाला ऐसा कुछ आपको गोलीबाजी करी जाएगी. प्लीज़ डू नॉट फॉल इनटू द ट्रैप. ठीक है जी. विशिंग यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. Wishing you all the best for AILET, for JAMIA's entrance. There's a lot many things that are going to take place in your life even 2 weeks from now. Focus on those law entrances instead कि आप यहीं बैठ के रहें. ठीक है जी. Again, आराम से सोचेगा. Take this decision of taking a full-fledged drop maybe 3 weeks down the line, or maybe a 1 down the line when the mind is quite calm. All right. Again, take care. Bye.